Hey, Doc. Hello, my love. Look at this girl. Look at this girl. She's doing very well. This is her second video. She's here for a while. Doc, look at you. And she's always really excited when I first bring her in the playroom in the morning. Doc, what you doing, pretty girl? You exploring everything? Huh? Doc. Come over here, Doc. Doc. You're not making for a good video today. Come over here. There's my girl. There's my girl. Say hi to Mom. Say hi. So Doc's doing very well. She's lovey-dovey. Hi, hon. You're so lovey-dovey, aren't you? Yes. I don't know if you could hear. Come over here. Hear her purring on here. Come here. Come over here, Doc. I know, that's such an interesting corner, isn't it? Come here. Anyway, she's doing very good. No problems to report with her. She's happy, she's purring, she's lovey-dovey. Hi, honey. And especially for a first-time guest, acclimated quickly and is doing very well. Huh. She's a good girl. You're a good girl.